guys about two things: hair and hair flat irons. And I know hair flat irons are so common. They're everywhere, all different kinds of brands. They all do the same thing. But today I'm going to be talking to you about something new, innovative. It's different. It does something different. And it's really, really exciting. So this is the Asavea Vibrating flat iron. It's called Vibe. And so this is an actual flat iron that vibrates. And I know that sounds a little bit weird, but it works and it makes a huge difference. I would have never thought it would have made that big of a difference. So this is a pink flat iron. It's ceramic inside. It goes from 320 all the way to 450. It heats up in about a minute. It has the amazing swivel cord so that when you're curling your hair with it, it doesn't get all tangly. And it also cools down very quickly as well. And of course it vibrates. The cool thing about this is this doesn't vibrate all the time. It's just whenever you clamp it closed, it will vibrate on your strands. I really love to use that feature whenever I'm straightening my hair because it just takes away the frizz. Let me tell you a little bit about my hair. I have curly, frizzy, damaged hair from color and from bleach, and so I don't usually like to wear my hair straight that often nowadays because you can tell it is damaged. It doesn't look very good. So when I first tried this, I tried it straight and I tried it vibrating, and it was amazing. It took away the frizz. Not a lot of us have perfect hair, and that's totally okay because this thing's gonna make it look perfect. So I really, really love this, and today I'm gonna show you how to straighten your hair and how to curl your hair. And they're both super, super easy to do. So it takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to do either one. That's pretty quick for me to get my hair done and out the door because I don't have a lot of time to be spending on my hair. And it looks great all day long. Also, Asavea was so kind to host a giveaway for you guys. They're gonna be giving away one free hair straightener. Really easy to enter. So I'm going to tell you all about the giveaway at the very end of the video. So make sure that you stay tuned to the very end. And yeah, let's go. now that you got through that tutorial, let's talk about the giveaway. So the winner will be getting a brand new vibrating flat iron shipped out to you completely free. All you have to do is go in the description box and click the giveaway link and fill out your information. That's it. Super, 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 super easy. The winner is drawn at random, completely random. So you have the same chance of winning as anybody else. So make sure you share it with your friends and family. This giveaway will be open for 2 weeks. So I'll put down below the dates. It starts today, so you can go ahead and start today. And it's gonna be just awesome and amazing. And I wish you guys the best of luck. I will be announcing the winner at in the description box at the very end of the 2-week period. I will also be emailing you personally, so make sure that you check your spam folder and also your just regular email. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. Good luck, and I will just see you guys next time.